In front of me is REALME 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Apps. Then tap on App Clone. Click on any app you wish to clone and use gray switcher next to Create App Clone. Then wait. When your app is ready, you can click on Rename App Clone and type in whatever you want to. Then hit Save. Tap on Default App to open and pick one of those options. When you're ready, just go back. As you can see, after that, my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!